Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall H&R Block desktop software on macOS, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall H&R Block desktop software on macOS, begin by closing the application if it's currently running. Open Finder from your dock. In the Finder sidebar, locate and click on Applications. Scroll through your Applications folder to find the H&R Block software. Click and hold the H&R Block icon until it begins to jiggle. Drag the H&R Block icon to the trash bin located in the dock. Alternatively, you can right-click on the H&R Block icon and select Move to Trash. Next, you will need to empty your trash to complete the uninstallation. To do this, right-click on the trash bin and select Empty Trash. If prompted, confirm that you want to permanently delete the software. After this, you may want to check for any remaining files associated with the program. To find these files, open the Finder and click on Go in the top menu bar. Hold down the Option key and select Library from the drop-down menu that appears. In the Library folder, navigate to the Application Supports section. Search for any folders related to H&R Block and delete them. Return to the Library folder and check the Preferences folder. Look for any preference files associated with H&R Block and move them to the trash. If you want to ensure complete removal, check other locations such as caches and saved application state. Once you have removed all files, right-click the trash bin again and select. Your H&R Block desktop software is now fully uninstalled from your macOS device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.